Hey, I love my cats too. Doesn't mean I'm gonna marry them.
News blues. I'm gonna give you some news blues. I'm gonna give you some news blues. How about right now?
The story comes from Germany. A man took his cat to the vet. Bad news he did get. Found his cat was dying. What to do to keep from crying? He had a fantastic plan to put a ring in her hand. Paw. Since marrying a cat was not right, he hired an actress for the sight. 300 euros it did cost to marry them before Cecilia crossed. Reminds me of the song. Cecilia, I'm breaking your heart. You're breaking my heart. Somebody's breaking somebody's heart. This story is just crazy. I don't understand. Here's the link to the video. If you want to watch it, it's right there, or there, or there, or there. Somewhere. But I'll leave the link for you. Alright? Have a good day. Till next time. See ya.